Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn with me. Today we should discuss about the chapter number 1 of 7th standard, that is large numbers around us. The first concept is a lakh varieties. Here Ishwarappa is a farmer in Chintamani, a town in Karnataka. He visits the market regularly to buy seeds for his rice field. Here one person is there, that is Ishwarappa. Who is Ishwarappa? He is a farmer of Chintamani town. He regularly visits the market to buy what? Seeds for his rice field. He is having one rice field. One time he visited to the town and then he heard about a conversation between the persons Ramanna and Lakshmama. Ramanna said, earlier our country had about lakh varieties of rice. Here one conversation is going on. What is Ramanna said? In the earlier days, our country had a lakh varieties of rice. Here see, what is the word is there? Lakh. Farmers used to preserve different varieties of seeds and use them to grow rice. Then farmers what to do? Then farmers used those varieties of lakh varieties of seeds and grow them as a rice. But now we only have a handful of varieties, means very few amount of varieties of rice. Now what farmers have to come to the market to buy the seeds. So Lakshmama then said, there is a seed bank near my house. What Lakshmama told? There is one seed bank is there near her house. So far they have collected. What is the work of that seed bank? They have collected about 100 indigenous varieties of rice seeds from different places. What is the work of seed bank? They have to collect varieties of different varieties of rice seeds from different places. That's why Lakshmama told to oh Ishwarappa, you can also buy the seeds from there. Okay, she is giving the suggestion. You may have heard the word lakh. In this paragraph, we may heard the word what? Lakh before. Do you know how big 1 lakh is? Let us find out. Here, after the conversation, one question is raised. What is that question? Do we know how big 1 lakh is? Okay. Next, Ishwarappa shared this incident with his daughter Roxy and son Ishtu. Ishwarappa went to the home and told all this event to his son and daughter. Daughter named Roxy and son Ishtu. Ishtu was surprised to know that there were about 1 lakh varieties of rice in this country. By hearing this word lakh, he surprised. Who is to surprised that there is a lakh varieties of rice in our country? He wondered 1 lakh. So far, I have only tasted three varieties. He think that he tasted only three varieties, but in our country, 1 lakh varieties of rice is there. That's why he surprised. If we tried a new variety each day, would we even come close to tasting all the varieties in a lifetime of 100 years? What is each to think that if everyone tasted a new variety of each day, if they complete all the varieties in the lifetime of 100 years, they're asking the question. What do you think? They are asking the question to you only. What do you think? Guess. Yes, but how much is 1 lakh? Observe the pattern and fill in the boxes below. See here one pattern is there. Here you can observe the largest three-digit number is what? 999. How do we get the next four-digit number? If we add plus 1 to the largest three-digit number, then we should get the smallest four-digit number. What is the smallest four-digit number? We have to fill here. If we add 1 to 999, the smallest four-digit number is then becomes how much? 1000. Okay, that is what? 1000. Next, the largest four-digit number is then which is the largest four-digit number? That is the largest four-digit number is 9999. Why? Because the four-digit number ends here. 9999, 9999. If we add plus 1 to this 9999, then we will get the smallest 5 digit number. Which is the smallest 5 digit number? 1 after how many zeros? 4 zeros. That is 10,000. Okay, the smallest 5 digit number is, this is 10,000. Then what happens? The largest 5 digit number. If we write 9 how many times? 5 times. Then how much it is? 99,999. If we add 1 to this number, next we get the smallest 6 digit number. That is here how much? Read this number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh. Okay, this is the smallest 6 digit number. So like this we can get the 1 lakh. In this pattern, how do we get the 1 lakh is? Okay, so here see the one statement here. 1 lakh is read as like this: ONE1 LAKH lakh, 1 lakh. Next one pattern is there. Here they given the empty places. So 99,999 there, then 99,996. How do we get? If we add plus 1 here, we will get 99,996. Next, for this number, if we add 2, if we add once again 1, then in this box we have to fill 99,997. Next, if we add plus 1, then we will get 99,998. Then what happens after completing this box? We have to complete this box. If we add again 1 to the given number, then what happens? It becomes 99,999. After this, if we add again 1 to that number, then it becomes how much here? 1 lakh. Okay, like this we can complete all these boxes. Then what happens? Roxy and Ishtu found that if they ate one variety of rice a day, they would come nowhere close to a lakh in a lifetime. Then Roxy and Ishtu are thinking that if they ate one variety of rice per day, if they complete all the varieties in the lifetime, they are thinking. That's why Roxy suggests here, oh, what if we ate two varieties of rice every day? Roxy thinking that if they ate two varieties of rice every day, then they would complete 1 lakh varieties of rice in 100 years. They are asking the question here. So one question is raised here. What if a person ate three varieties of rice every day? Will they be able to taste all the lakh varieties in a 100-year lifetime? Find out. They given the question here. Okay. So that's why Ishtu said we know how many days there are in a year. We know that in there are 365 days in the year, except a leap year. In the leap year, 366 days are there. If we ignore leap years, if we live for y years, this y is nothing but a no number. The number of days in our lifetime will be 365 into y. We should multiply that unknown number to the 365, then we will get the number of days. Is it? So like this we can solve. Dear viewers, the continuation part we can discuss in the next video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my channel. Thank you.